up, Kaswabe, and good morning sa inyong lahat. I am here sa Carrera Showroom para sa launching ng all-new BMW M2. Last time, nakapag-review tayo ng M2 competition doon sa BMW RSA. And bago tayo makarating dito, we are invited by Tito Carlos Gono. Siyempre, shout out to Autoplus na family natin. Bago ako makarating dito, Kaswabe, daming mga nakapark doon. Iba-iba, mga JDM, Vantage, tapos mga Porsche, and GTR na mahal naman lahat ng tao. Coffee lang kami rito. BMW M2 natin, actually, very eye-catching siya kung makikita natin. Tapos iba yung build niya, not too technical pagdating sa mga body language. Minsan, basic wins pa rin. Basic wins the game. Napaka-powerful ng design niya. Parang seryosong-seryoso siya and pinaghalong pixelated na may pagka-retro on modern styling ng BMW. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo So we have two actually trim level. Ito, yung blue parang may pagka-sky blue. Meron silang tawag talaga dyan. Isa 5.9 million. Yung isa naman yung Toronto Red. Nasa 9 million plus because yun yung carbon fiber package. So check natin. Kaswabe, they call this the Toronto Red Metallic Body Color. Ang unit pricing nito nasa 9 million plus because this is the carbon fiber package. Starting sa kanyang bonnet ala E92, napaka-simple yet sexy ang styling ng center power bulge. Sa main beam headlights natin, ginamitan ng single projector bulb. Straightforward na LED DRL unlike sa iba na mga U-shape. At ang amazing, talaga naman pinupuri ko dito, hindi na ito yung beaver looking katulad ng mga M3 and M4 which receives a lot of controversies and adversities dahil meron kang large horizontal frameless na kidney grills. Idagdag pa natin dyan yung tatlong lower intakes mo na very rectangular yung contour para sa brake cooling and syempre relentless downforce. Signature high performance side mirrors. New smoked LED taillights. Being a compact sports car, hindi pa rin sila nagdamot sa dami ng pwede mong ilagay sa iyong cargo space. Consistency of black exhaust pipes. Equipped with a carbon fiber roof which is 6 kilograms lighter than the basic M2. Beneath the skin has an elite performance of a 3-liter twin-power turbo straight 6, 460 horsepower, 550 Nm of torque. This is greater ng 55 horsepower compared sa previous generation. Has an 8-speed Steptronic transmission, rear-wheel drive, 0 to 100 ay 4.3 seconds. Top speed is 290 km/h. Non-carbon fiber package, ang kanyang top speed ay only 250 km/h. One thing that I noticed, bukod dun sa price increase ng 3 million, kaya iba rin pala yung wheel setup nila. Light alloy wheels to, staggered na fitment, 19 and 20. Pero doon, pagdating sa carbon fiber package, is carbon fiber din yung wheels. Biro lang. Two-tone, machine finish. Red yung brake calipers, 6 pistons. Doon naman, single piston siya. Sana tama ako. Introducing Autosport. Kaswabe, this one is the world's most innovative mobility scooter that we can get para sa ating lifestyle and sa mga kababayan natin na PWD. Madali lang to. Comes with 2 separate parts na pwede mong gawing trolley at the same time. Installed nga pala doon sa harap ang iyong illuminated LCD display for you to see the performance and enhanced lighting system para sa safety precautions pag nasa road ka or sidewalk na pwede mong ilagay sa sports car or regular car na trunk kasi maliit lang ito and very lightweight. Within seconds, ang dali lang i-assemble. Up to 10 speed ang kanyang taglay and 10 km/h ang kanyang maximum na pinartneran mo ng shock-absorbing flat-free tires for advanced performance and auto braking system. At hindi lang sa kotse, mantakin mo, pati sa tren, pwede. And flight-approved ang ating baterya. Meron tayong lisensya. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-travel ka around the world, kayang-kaya mo itong ilagay sa cabin at ibaba mo, ma-assemble mo kagad ito. Ang design nito ay talagang super passionate sila para ipakita sa inyo ang performance. So, ganun lang yon. Be active, be free, be yourself by Autosport. Ang link ay nasa description below para i-check mo na lang, Kaswabe. Kaswabe, talking about the dimension, you get more metal compared doon sa previous gen. This is 4.7 inch longer, 16 millimeters wider, That's why meron siyang prominente and muscular na wheel arches. Pagdating naman sa ground clearance, this is 11 millimeters lower, pero shorter ito ng 8.4 inch compared sa kanyang pinsan na M4. Inside the cabin of this basic M2 is a super luxurious and aggressive styling. I like the power-adjusted seats combination of leather ultra suede blue stitching. Merong M2 na deboss sa backrest. Talking about the center console and dashboard, aluminum quality materials with ambient lighting plus the incorporation of infotainment system and digital display cluster. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? 2+2 seating capacity with little storage. Doon sa door panel, meron kang M-Power illumination. Basic pa lang ang steering wheel compared sa carbon fiber M2. Here we go with the engaging, aggressive, and expensive aesthetics of the Ultimate Driver Cockpit M2 Carbon Fiber Edition. We have M2 lower door tread plate, wet carbon fiber center console, carbon fiber dashboard, new and white iDrive infotainment and digital instrumentation. We have a brutal carbon fiber track seats with carbon fiber inserts sa crotch area at bigyan natin ng atensyon to details ang M-Power colorway sa bucket seat. Driver-focused steering wheel with carbon fiber plates and shifters plus the small red toggle switch para sa customized sport drive settings. Aluminum M sport pedals, engine ignition button, M gear selector, and iDrive control knob. Performance second row seats. Hanip naman ang design ng upuan. Meron siyang, what do you call this? Thigh bolster grab handle. Oh, for ultra performance and dynamic riding. Magkabilaan, no? Ganda ng detail, no? Meron kang carbon fiber dito sa crouch area, suede and leather. Sa panahon ngayon kaswabe, hindi mo na talaga mapipigilan ang price increase sa lahat ng bagay, lalong-lalo na sa mga pinapangarap nating mamahalin at mabibilis na sasakyan. Hindi tayo pwede mag-rely sa work hard. Kinakailangan meron tayong work smart at damihan natin ang stream of income. Kaya bawat experience, kinakailangan tumatalino tayo at marunong tayong magpalago ng ating mga pera para soon, pag merong mga car launching, isa na tayo sa mga pumipila dyan. Siyempre, even ako, meron din tayong pangarap. So this time naman, I wanna give my feedback doon sa dalawang trim level ng ating M2. Pag mag-i-spend ka ng time like 10 to 20% of driving sa racetrack, full of aggressive aesthetics, mas magaan, mas malubha ang top speed na pang flex, go for the 9 million carbon fiber edition. Ang kinakailangan mo naman, komportable, daily usable, di ba? Makakabiyahe ka ng malayo without getting fatigue. Magkaiba nga lang sila ng aesthetics, medyo mas mabait itong M2, which is 5.9 million, yan ang pipiliin ko. Pero syempre, depende pa rin yan kung ano talaga yung kaya mong i-consume kasi nasa sayo naman yan kung ano ang estado mo sa buhay. I hope natuwa ka dito sa video natin kahit quick look lang. Follow me on Instagram and hit that notification bell for you to see yung mga sports car and luxury reviews natin. Go get some merch to increase the optimal level ng ating Rico Suave channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat. God bless. More power and more performance.